How to integrate a calendar with HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. Knoll. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to set up a calendar in HighLevel. Question number two, how to connect a calendar to Google Calendar in HighLevel. And question number three, how to add a calendar in a funnel in HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo sub account. And if we are in our demo sub account, we could be likely it'll end up on the Launchpad or dashboard. I'm already in Sites, but what we really want to do is go to Calendars, and then we can see if we have like a calendar displayed. We already have a calendar set up, but if you go to Calendar Settings, here's where you can create a calendar if you don't already have one. So I already have one built here called Round Robin Calendar, and all the settings are here. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. We click on Edit. I just gave it a generic name, generic custom URL. I assigned my team member, which is me, and then of course I have this here where it says medium priority. The custom is the location. I could put in any of these, right? Full address, phone, Meet, Google Meet, Zoom. Custom works best specifically if you're going to use a Zoom personal room. If you use a Zoom personal room, then this is what you want custom, and then paste in your personal Zoom room that you get from Zoom if you're using Zoom. That works best. You can select the color, of course. Then you have availability, right? So this is where you set your time that you're available. You can even look busy, which is cool. You can set up recurring meeting. You have the meeting interval, meeting duration. Then you have minimum scheduling notice, date range, maximum booking days, maximum booking per slot, pre-buffer time, post-buffer time. So quite a bit of options there. Then forms and payments. You have it says select form. So from here you have a few forms. You can use any of the forms you've created, or you can use the default one. And then widget order, right? So date time selector and form. Pre-populate fields with sticky context. You can turn that on off. You have the consent box on off. You can add guests. Confirmation page. You can just have a default message or redirect to another URL. You can add the Facebook pixel. Auto confirm new calendar meetings. And then of course you can actually charge for the meeting too. Then you go on to notification and add additional options. So we send the type of notification, acknowledgement, email, and then who should receive this notification, probably the contact and probably the assigned user, right? Or you can do additional emails and add those email addresses there. And then allow Google Outlook Calendar to send invitation update emails to attendees. So you want to check this off if you want to integrate it with your Google Outlook Calendar. However, this does not function unless you do something more, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. Assign contacts to a respective calendar, each team member or calendar team members each time an appointment is booked. You can do that too. You can allow rescheduling or turn that off, or allow cancellation or turn it off, and here's additional notes, right? And then you can go on to the next step. I'm going to save this since I updated the allow Google Outlook Calendar. Customizations, right? You can change the colors, button text, calendar title, calendar description, calendar details are all on. You can preview what it looks like here. You can add some custom code. So HighLevel is a very robust calendar system that you can utilize right out of the box, and I highly suggest you do. Again, I said you had to do something more to integrate Google or Outlook with it, and that something or another is going to my staff, and then under your staff member, whether that's you or someone else, you will need to go all the way down to calendar configuration. And then here it says connected calendars, connect your third-party calendars to sync bookings and check availability. So this is under settings, my profile calendar settings. So you have to take care of that in order to connect this properly, right? If you want to connect to your Outlook or your Google Calendar. So that's where you do that. And then of course, go back here to Sites. And inside of a funnel or a website, it works exactly the same way with a calendar. So we can just start a new funnel and call it Calendar Integration. And here we can just create a new step, and we'll just call it Calendar. We won't worry about the path. So it's going to create this step, and then we can choose whether we want a template or create from blank. So let's open up the editor, and then we just need to add a section first and then a row. You can make that a one column or two column, then we add an element. This is the element we're going to be adding. is going to be for the calendar. So we select the calendar element, and then we select our calendar, and then our calendar will pre-populate that area of the page. We can just save the page, and you can direct people to that page to book an appointment. So I hope that pretty much answered all your questions regarding that. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a question in the comments below this video, and I'll do my best to answer for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines A.I, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines A.I SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines A.I actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines A.I at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the 823.10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out. You can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.